Hello guys, hi, this is Makram. Hope you're doing good. Let's get started with the Excel series as we are covering the Excel series. Today's topic is regarding how to save the file in Excel. So let's see. Let's imagine this is the worksheet. We are working on the page 1 or page 2, page 3, what you have. And on the page 1 you have some important data. And you could just want to do this. And you can have to do a red line over here. It's the important data. You're just underlining it out, giving the color to the your data, and then you can go over here and you have to save this file. Then you have multiple option over here in the screen output, and you could save as in this PC the location where you want. I just want to go to download. And see guys, you can, this is file name, and you can give important data or something. And then over here, this is the save as type, and I will just quickly let you know regarding this. See guys, this is the file name. This is the file name actually, and this is save as type. So let's see what it is. Save as, it's a file name. Just we need to put the name what you want, and I want like important data or something, IMP data, and over here save as. Not only you can save as like Excel workbook. Over here we have like n number of options. If you click on this, you could see it could save as Excel workbook, Excel micro enable workbook, binary, XML data, single web page file, Excel template, and CSV. Like we have add-on, we have strict open and XML spreadsheet, open document, then we have PDF, text we have MS-DOS, we have Macton's text, so on, formatted text, so on. We have n number of like data type where we can save our data or our file. It's not only in the Excel workbook. Hope you got it. Just click on save and it will be got saved, and so on. This is how you need to work on you're saving the data, as data is crucial, or your working file will be crucial. So you just need to go to the file, and then you can click on save as, then you can browse the thing, and you can click on like folder download if you want, and then click on type of file you want, important data, and type of file you want, and then save, click over here button, and that's it guys. That is how you can save your file in Excel. Hope you got it, and if you have anything, comment me in the comment section regarding this. Thank you, have a great day, enjoy, bye bye.